India's anti-corruption law is back in news because the Supreme Court has delivered a split verdict on Section 17A of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988. Let's understand this with Yuki. The Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 is India's main anti-corruption law. It punishes public servants for bribery, taking undue advantage, and criminal misconduct. Section 17A of this act is in news. Added in 2018, Section 17A requires investigating agencies to take prior approval before starting an inquiry into decisions taken by a public servant while performing official duties. The idea is to protect honest officers from harassment and fear-based decision-making. Now coming to the split verdict of the Supreme Court, Justice K.V. Vishwanathan upheld Section 17A but with an important condition. He said, prior approval should come from an independent authority, the Lokpal for central officials and the Lokayukt for state officials, and not directly from the government. Justice B.V. Nagaratna disagreed and struck down Section 17A. She held that it violates Article 14, which guarantees equality before law. She also pointed out that Section 19 already provides protection, as it requires sanction only at the prosecution stage. The Supreme Court has dealt with similar issues before. In the Vineet Narayan case of 1998 and the Subramaniam Swamy case of 2014, the court struck down similar protections as they blocked free and fair corruption investigations. This brings us to one simple question: how do we protect honest officers without weakening corruption probes? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.